Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix lost soul aside, crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue, fatal error, low level fatal error, the UE4 project LSA game has crashed error, or out of video memory error on PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the solutions. So the first fix is to run this file. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Lost Soul Aside game, select manage, browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open this PC folder. Now right click on install PC SDK runtime file and select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now this will take some time, please let them install. Now press any key to continue. So press any key on your keyboard to continue. Now double click this second file and let them to install. Now this will again take some time. Now double click the third file, allow it to install. Click yes to allow. That's it. And after running this file, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now the next solution is to delete Lost Soul Aside saved game folder. But make a note, you will lose all these saved game progress. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open Saved Games folder. Now here you will see the Lost Soul Aside saved game folder. So first copy and then paste it to desktop, and then after keeping the backup, then right click on this and then select delete to delete it, and then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to modify game launch options. So try -DX11 or -DX12 in launch option. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Lost Soul Aside game, then select properties. Now here in the launch option, type -DX11, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove this launch options command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on Lost Soul Aside game, manage, browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click this Lost Soul Aside exe file and then launch the game from here and check if it is working or not. If not, then open project LSA folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now right click on this exe file and select properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game by running this exe file from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark this, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then this time select disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if your problem is still not solved, then again go to properties, go to compatibility tab and uncheck all these three boxes, then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now fifth solution is to, if you are a Windows security user, allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. To do so, in Windows search type Windows Security and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Then click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So go to this PC, C drive, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, Lost Soul Aside folder. Now select this Lost Soul Aside exe file and click open to add it to the list. Then again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open project LSA folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this exe file and click open to add it to the list. Now go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Now browse to the game installation folder. Go to this PC C drive, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open Lost Soul Aside folder. Select this Lost Soul Aside exe file. Click open. Click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse. Open project LSA folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this exe file. Click open. Click on add. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then click on OK to save changes. And then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, or any other third-party antivirus program, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then you can launch the game and check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Now the sixth solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are an NVIDIA user, go to the NVIDIA website. If you are an AMD user, go to the AMD website. If you are an Intel user, then go to Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So open Chrome and go to the NVIDIA official website, and here you have to search for your version of your graphic card driver, and then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the latest version of the graphic card driver. So the first result is the latest version, so click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Lost Soul Aside game, click properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the file you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Eighth solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website. The link is provided in the video description, and once you are on this website, scroll down, download x86 and also download x64. Now double click on x64 exe file. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and then click yes to allow. Now click on x66 exe file, double click it. Now again if you see install option, then install it. If you see repair option, then repair it. Click yes to allow, and after the successful installation of both the x86 and x64 version Visual C++ files, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Ninth solution is to update Windows. So click on Windows icon, then go to settings. On the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available for your Windows operating system, then download and install them, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game and delete the game folder related to the Lost Soul Aside, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD external drive, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix the Lost Soul Aside not launching, won't launch problem, crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing as a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen problem, fatal error, low level fatal error, the UE4 project LSA game has crashed error, or out of video memory error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.